In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canvas templates in Slack. Slack Canvas is a really useful feature for creating organized, consistent documents right inside Slack. It's especially helpful for things like project briefs, meeting notes, onboarding checklists, and incident response documentation. Instead of building everything from scratch every time, templates give you a ready-made structure so your team can save time and keep information standardized across the workspace. Before you begin, make sure Slack Canvas is enabled in your workspace. Also, keep in mind that editing a channel canvas requires permission to post in that channel, and publishing workspace-wide templates is typically limited to workspace admins or owners. To get started with a built-in template, open Slack in the desktop app or sign in through your web browser. In the left sidebar, click Canvases. If you don't see it right away, click More and then choose Canvases. Once you're there, click the New Canvas button near the top corner to open a blank canvas. Inside the Canvas editor, click the Templates button in the top toolbar. In some views, you may also see template cards directly in a gallery. Browse through the available options and choose the one that best matches what you need. For example, project brief templates help outline goals, deliverables, and timelines. Meeting notes templates are great for agendas, attendees, and action items. Onboarding checklists help organize tasks and resources for new team members. And incident response templates are useful for tracking timelines, resolutions, and follow-up documentation. When you find the right one, click it, then select Use Template to load that structure into your canvas. If you want to use a template directly in a Slack channel, first open the channel where you want the canvas to live. In the top right area of the channel header, click the canvas icon to open the channel canvas panel. If the canvas is empty, Slack will usually prompt you with the option to start with a template. Click that, choose the template that fits the purpose of the channel, and then begin replacing the placeholder content with your actual information. You can also assign tasks using mentions and pin important resources so everything stays easy to find. To create your own reusable custom template, start by opening a new standalone canvas and designing the layout exactly how you want it. Add headings, checklists, tables, and dividers so the structure is ready for repeated use. Then click the three dots menu in the top right corner of the canvas window and choose Save as Template. After that, enter a clear title, add a short description, and choose whether the template should be restricted or shared workspace-wide. Finally, click Publish. Once published, your custom template will appear in the templates gallery for others to reuse. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the